And when it comes to, right, for now the focus is on coolant hoses, but we also understand that TPV is very well used in other areas of the vehicle as well, right? It's basically trying to replace EPDM wherever,
Yeah.
in a lot of other areas of the vehicle. So from that perspective, does it have any limitations when it comes to working with other forms of other types of fluids, or is that not a concern?
No, as I mentioned, Santoprene is in the market for more than 40 years, and it is
Right.
used extensively in the automotive industry. So more than 65, percent of the our material goes into the automotive segment, and we use Santoprene parts in the weather sealing applications, the suspension bellows, the rack and pinion boots, the air ducts inside the vehicle, the plugs, bumpers, and grommets. So a lot of parts in the vehicle are made out of Santoprene TPV. And coming to the resistance to the fluids, it is very well resistant to brake fluids. It is resistant to some greases, lithium grease, and only limitation is that it cannot withstand the hydrocarbon oil. So it can take splashes of oil, but it cannot be used as a dip application in the hydrocarbons in the oil. So that is the only limitation. All other aqueous solution, alkali bases, it is resistant.
Sorry, can you highlight a bit more on the when you mentioned hydrocarbons in the oil? So you're saying that it is probably not suitable for um, cooling hoses that may
The,
use oil as
no, no.
lubricants? No.
Yeah, if you are using
Carbon
hydrocarbon
hoses.
oils like
Yes.
hydraulic fluids,
Hmm.
uh, in such cases, Santoprene is not suitable to convey the hydraulic fluids. But the
Okay.
coolant, it is resistant, no issue.
So this is why they are even more suited to EVs than ICE
Yeah, right.
applications, right? Because
Yes.
absolute, okay, makes sense.